My name is Anand. I'm doing my master's here in electrical engineering, and my specialty is in power systems. And I choose ASU because ASU is well known for giving good courses in power systems, and it's like Arizona State University is considered as a cheaper university. Like it's the fees is comparatively less than other universities in the California, and also the cost of living is quite less compared to California or even the East Coast side.
So where did you do undergrad?
I did my undergrad in India in Anna University, Chennai.
Okay, how many years work experience?
I do not have an work experience,
Straight
but
after engineering.
I did my masters in India as well, and then this is my second masters here.
I see.
So
Okay.
yes, I'm looking for a research opportunity in ASU, but so far.
So after masters, why didn't you apply for PhD, for example?
I actually didn't get an opportunity to meet any professors over here, and I couldn't really get an opportunity over here. But
So your masters in India was MTech.
it was an ME, Master of Engineering.
I see.
Yes, it was a 2-year
Where did you
course
do
as well.
that?
In Anna University, Chennai as well.
I see.
Yes.
So what was your GPA in undergrad and your?
Both I scored 8 out of 10.
Okay. So where all did you apply? Which all universities?
I applied for University of Texas Dallas, University of Sunny Buffalo, State University of New York, and also Texas A&M and Iowa State University, ASU, and Texas Arlington, University of Texas Arlington.
Okay. So where all did you have admission?
I had admissions from Sunny Buffalo, UT Arlington, and ASU. And I definitely chose ASU because, like I said, it is cost of living is low, and as also the courses here are really good.
I see. So how do you rate your experience here on 5-star?
Oh, I'll give a 4.
So what could be better?
Yeah, the libraries facilities is good, but I'd like to have libraries 24 hours. It is open 24/5, but I'd like to have it 24/7 open. And also the Sundell Fitness Center is open from 6 to 11 p.m. But I would like to have it open like all 24 hours because we usually stay up long in the libraries, and we spend a lot of time over there. And at times we feel like really stressed out working on projects and academics, and we would like to have a recreation at that time, and we don't find it like we cannot go like during class hours or during afternoon times, or generally it's during the evenings, and during the evenings it's like really crowded, so we don't get the facilities.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which are your favorite courses?
I took power system analysis, and it's actually an undergrad
You're in electrical
course.
engineering.
Yes. I took power system
And you're going to
analysis.
graduate in 2018.
2017 December.
2017 December. Okay.
Yes. One more year actually.
Masters of Electrical
Yes,
Engineering.
yes. And and my favorite courses is like transmission distribution, renewable energy electric systems, and also power engineering operations and planning, which is offered by Professor Hedman, which I'm actually coming from this class. I find it really useful because it matches my career interests, and even transmission distribution. I like to study some courses related to transmission distribution because I would like to design power systems and substations. So that's where I look to specialize in.
All right. So GRE and TOEFL?
Yes, I got a GRE score of 3 at 12, and I didn't give TOEFL. I gave an IELTS, and I scored 7.5 out of 9 in IELTS.
Okay. So if you had your life over to live over again, you'd still come to ASU, or would you go elsewhere?
Definitely, actually, if I get a better GRE score and a better IELTS score, I'll definitely choose another university. But for my GRE score and what I have scored,
profile?
yes, this is the best I get.
This is the best.
This is the best I get.
Did you have any funding, scholarship?
No.
Okay. So your family is sponsoring you?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you, and best of luck in your career.
Thank you.